So let's get started. Let's start going building our website. So now what we're going to do now is that we're going to install our WordPress online into the server that we just bought. So these are how you can manage your account. You can add an add-on domain. I tell you, add-on domain is just like additional domain into your hosting. Like I can add another domain now, buy it and add it to it. There is backup, is for you. There is domain allies. Domain allies is like you are connecting a one domain to different you are connecting like two domain to one hosting. You understand? Now add-on domain is like you can buy another domain. Like maybe I can say that one is another thing, maybe jebecarpenter.com. That one now I cannot have another website for it inside that domain, but host it in a single hosting. Why domain allies is like I'm having two domain is directed to one hosting, something like that. So I can buy .com, I can buy .ng. Like Facebook now, they buy their .com and their .ng. So email, I will teach you how you can create a professional email. You understand? But what is important is that we are just going to locate cPanel. cPanel, this is very, very important. And everything you'll be doing is on the cPanel. It's very important that you know how to access cPanel. Hola, this our cPanel. It's easy. This way you are going to be doing a lot of work where you are building a website with a Apache server, which is the one I'm using. So under email, this way you can create an email. You can create a personal email account. You can forward an email. You can just create it's important you create a professional email if you just create your account. So what I will do is I will click on create email, and I will create email first, admin@jebeplumbing.com. I will set my password. So it's important you create this email, it's professional email, and you click on create. Hola, I have it. This the professional email for the admin. So you can click on check email and open it. That's how you can create email using cPanel. Easy. You can create at info. You need an info too later in the day. You need it depends on what you want to create. You can view the inbox here, the mailbox. It's a professional email that is good for your business or any business you are building. It's good you create an email for them. So this is it. They just send out the configuration. So this is how you can create email. You can create many email, and just go back to our cPanel. So you can manage your email. You can forward email. You can like most of the time. How I do is that I forward most of my email, most of the professional email to my Gmail, so I can easily see it because I sign in my Gmail on my phone. So there's no need for me to be coming online every time. Then we just forward it direct to me. This file manager, this is very, very important. This way you are going to be managing all your file, like our WordPress file will be installed here, and everything. This database, that's where our data is stored, and to manage our data, this domain, where you can manage your domain and add-on domain. Metrics, that is where you can see your error, your bandwidth, your data security. That's where we are going to install our SSL certificate, which is they have already installed one for us, automatic. But this Let's Encrypt 2, you can install it, a free SSL certificate, and that is for to prevent your website from hacker software. This is why we're going to install some software to our server too, and they have some advanced. You can just explore it. You can explore it. Softaculous app installer. You can install it. So what we want to do is that I want to install. You can see in this side you see your IP address, your service, your file size, the disk space that we have, everything, every information regarding the website is on this side. So you can see the email account. You already have one email account, and we have to infinite. And then what I want to do is that I want to install WordPress. So you just see this is under Softaculous app. You can install WordPress by just clicking WordPress here, or you can do it by click on WordPress Manager by Softaculous. It's the same thing. So under software, I click on WordPress. So you just click on install. Here is very important. You check the domain you are installing to. I'm installing to I choose HTTPS, which is the secure one. There is HTTP. The best way is choose HTTPS. Jebe Plumbing, and make sure you delete this WP. You are not installing to any folder. And I'm installing 6.1, which is the same thing we install on our local system. So my website name, since what we are going to do is now on our first website. We are going to build a news portal website now. So I will just say we call the news portal website Ninja News. You understand? Ninja News. Ninja News, and home of latest news. So your username, I leave my username as admin. Your password, make sure you use a secure password. And this is the email, admin email I've already created, so I will just use admin@jbplumbing.com. Fine, it's okay by me. And these are some plugins that you can install. I'll tell you plugin, you can install the plugin alongside when you are installing the WordPress because it's online. I want to use English as my language, classic editor. I don't want to install any plugin. These are some templates that you can select. If there's anyone that you like, you can select it and install it. But for now, I don't want to select any templates. I will just install it direct. You can check it. I have a theme that I will use for this, so I will just click on select. Let's go. So it have start installation. So I will just wait while it install. Yeah, hola, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Good. So we have two URL. You have been successfully installed. This is our website, jbplumbing.com. We open, just right click and open another new tab. Yeah, jbplumbing.com. And this is our admin panel. Yeah, this is the normal default template provided by Hugo Host that will be there. So this is our admin panel. Hola. So we are now in our WordPress 6.0. Hola. We have installed it on our online server, and our website is live online. You can go there and see it. So these are the same thing we have in the local server. We have it here too. So I think one of the important things that we have to install is called plugin that we're going to install is called WP Cache. So how it works is that there are some time that you are making some changes on our websites. You can view the front end and it will not update. I tell you, like if we click on this WP Cache, it's important that you install it. It's there already, so I will just delete all the cache. If I delete all the cache and I reload the website, yeah, this is the normal default WordPress 6.0 landing page, just like the same way we see it when we install it locally. So most of the time, if you make changes on your website and it's not affecting, you just have to delete cache. Like it's some information that is stored in the browser automatically by the before, so you have to like clear it and so you can update the new one. I think for now we're able to install our WordPress in our server online, and we understand cPanel, and we buy our hosting. So in the next section, we are going to start building our news portal website. So we are installing plugins, we are installing the theme that we are going to use. So if there's any question or there's anything that you don't understand, or there's a way you can advise us to like over this course more better, you can easily contact the phone number on the link. Just WhatsApp. I'm available to answer anything that we can make any modification to the course. So thank you very much. I hope you are getting something. So till next module, we are going to start building our news portal website.